Hadia Syed. My name is Hadia Syed. I study in 2nd grade in Commonwealth Elementary. My teacher is Miss Smith. Table of contents. What is an adaptation? Adaptation comes from the word adapt, which means to change in your physical appearance and behavior to fit in a new place. For example, when we move to a new neighborhood, we have to adapt to a new school, house, and friends. The process to adjust yourself in a new environment and conditions is called adaptation. Humans aren't the only one who do adaptation. Animals and plants do adaptation as well. Almost all the animals do adaptation, or else they try to do something and they won't survive. What is an animal adaptation? An animal adaptation is a special body part that helps an animal survive in its habitat. And an adaptation depends on the climate, food, and predators. There are two types of adaptations: behavioral and physical. Animal adaptations don't develop overnight. It takes generation to generation. Animals help adaptations help the animals to eat better, hunt better, to help from predators, and to mate and to stand environmental conditions. Physical adaptations. Over time, animals develop special body parts such as covering, color, and patterns to help the animal survive in their habitat. Some examples are hummingbirds have long, narrow beaks to help it drink nectar. Giraffes have long necks to eat leaves from trees. Some more physical adaptations are, the examples are long ears, sharp claws, large beaks, wings, fur, scales, and feathers. Behavioral adaptation. An animal changes its behavioral adaptation because it wants to survive in a new habitat. This changes to hunt better, to find food and reproduce. Some examples are mimicry, camouflage, and migration. Gray whales migrate every year, and geese fly south in the fall to stay warm and find food. Sloths move very slowly. It makes them hard to spot. Cheetah. Cheetahs are one of the fastest animals on land. I think you know that. Its habitats are grasslands and savannas. A rare cheetah has a unique pattern. Cheetahs don't roar, but they purr. Cheetah adaptations. They have a natural camouflage. They have spotted fur to blend with tall grass. They have long tails to steer when running. They have short backs to stalk and help spot the prey. They have body and shape and speed. They have long spikes to stretch out the strides. They have long and leaner legs. Cheetahs have heart and lungs. They need a lot of oxygen to move fast. Those oxygen is passed to the muscles to make it move faster. This is my animal adaptation. My animal adaptation. My animal is a cat who lives in the desert. The desert cat is nocturnal. It hides in the night when it's cooler. It has short backs so it can see better in the night. It has eyelashes to keep the sun away from eyes. It has eyebrows to give shade from the sun. It has a light body and beige fur to camouflage in the sand. It has broad feet to walk in the sand. And it has fat stored in the tail to survive a long period without water. Resources. I hope you like my PowerPoint about adaptation. Thank you.